Viewer, in this video today I am going to show you three beautiful blue eggs of a bird. Wow, which are very cute. Wow, very bright. Viewer, in this video today I am going to show you three beautiful blue eggs of a bird, which are very cute eggs. If you like my vlog, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video to motivate me good. So you can see, wow, they are very beautiful eggs. You can see closely. My camera is, wow, you can see again closely. Very beautiful legs. Wait for some second. Oh, blur. Now you can see. Viewer, please subscribe my channel for more bird and animal videos. I keep uploading bird and animal videos on this channel daily. You can see now a mm, no, you can see again closely. Please subscribe the channel for more like videos.